Hey everybody, to begin today's lesson, we will start off with order of operation. So like always, we're going to go with the acronym of PEMDAS, which stand for parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Remember, parentheses you always solve first, and when it comes to multiplication and division and addition and subtraction, those two pairs, you always go from left to right, no matter what order. So let's try number 1 together. So right off the bat, we see a parentheses. So we're going to solve that first. So 4 times 1, which is 4. And you're going to bring down the minus 2 because you solved it. And now you just get the answer, and 4 minus 2 is 2. Let's try one more. Let's try something like number 6. So we're going to first solve the parentheses like always, and 5 times 1 is 5. We're going to bring the times 2 down, which you get 2 times 5, which is 10. Moving on. Addition and subtraction. This is something you have been doing for a while, and it's always good to remember and constantly practice your skills of adding and subtracting big numbers. So let's try one of each. Let's try something like number 2. So we're going to align it, and so 5 plus 5 is 10, and then we're going to carry the 1 from the 10, and then you're going to do 1 plus 0 plus 6, which is 7, and whatever is left, which is 2 from the 100. So your answer is 270. And a big subtraction such as number 10, 758 minus 245. We're just going to subtract straight down. So 8 minus 5 is 3, 5 minus 4 is 1, and 7 minus 2 is 5. So you get an answer of 513. Next is reading time. So as always, remember, the numbers itself does represent the hours, but between these hours, not only is it 1 hour, but it is also 5 minutes. So first, let's try to find the hours. So we see that it is between 5 and 6, but because the small hand has technically not reached 5 yet, or has not reached 6 yet, it's going to be 5, so the hour of 5. And now we're just going to count the minutes. So simply 5, 10, 15, 20, because remember the long hand is the minute, and you get 20 minutes. So you get a time of 5:20. One more. So we see that the hour hand is between 8 and 9, but since it hasn't approached 9 yet, which is the next hour, we're going to go with the hour of 8. And once again, we're just going to count with the 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes. So you get a time of 8:20. Lastly, we have word problems. So, number 1. Before going out trick-or-treating on Halloween night, Jeff spent 10 minutes putting on his costume, Lily spent 8 minutes, and Trish spent 20 minutes putting on her costume. How much total time did it take them to put on their costumes? So let's just get the times first. So we get 10 minutes, we get 8 minutes, and we get 20 minutes. Now it's asking for the total. So in order to find the total, we're going to add. So let's add the 3 numbers. So 10 plus 8 plus 20. And so let's just do 10 plus 8 first. So 10 plus 8 is 18. And then we're going to bring down to plus 20 we didn't do. And then 18 plus 20 is 28 minutes in total. Let's try one more. Let's try something like number 3, actually. So Farmer Hannah has 25 sheep and 23 goats on her farm. Last night, some of her sheep escaped from their pen. If she still has 9 sheep in the pen, how many sheep have escaped? Or how many sheep escaped? So right off the bat, we're just gonna focus on the sheep. The 23 goats, not important, so we're just gonna erase that. So there's still 9 left, but we don't know how many escaped. But in order to do that, we're going to subtract the 9 sheep that are still there in order to figure out the 25 or the other sheep that are gone. So 25 minus 9, and you get 16 sheep have escaped. I hope this all made sense, and thank you for listening.